Hello and welcome to the first video of the Hockey Zone. The Hockey Zone will be my brand new YouTube channel in which I'll be doing hockey product reviews, hockey countdowns, and much more hockey content coming your way. In today's video, we'll be doing a countdown. We'll be counting down the top 5 best goal horns in the NHL. Kicking off our list of number 5 is the Columbus Blue Jackets. Next on our list is number 4, the Nashville Predators. Our next video, or next clip, next goal horn will be the number 3, the Arizona Coyotes. Their Kachina Knights goal horn. On Saturdays, they show homage to their more original roots with the more desert-like theme. And this is a goal horn more themed to that. So this will be our next goal horn, number 3. Our next goal horn is number 2, the Carolina Hurricanes, Hartford Knights from last year. For those who don't know, the Carolina Hurricanes used to be the Hartford Whalers. Well, last year, for one night, they put on the old Hartford Whaler jerseys, and they had a more, they kind of took part in their old goal horn as well. So, number 2 is the Hartford Whalers old goal horn. Hartford Whalers Carolina Hurricane goal horn. And finally, we have number 1, the best goal horn in the NHL, which in my mind is also the most exciting goal horn in the NHL. We have the Dallas Stars. And that'll be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. More importantly, I hope the Penguins win the Stanley Cup this year. Go down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I got all these videos, these goal horns from Famous Goal Horns YouTube channel. So head on over to his channel, hit his subscribe button. let's build up hockey content creators on YouTube. That's it for this video. Bye.